In today's video, we are going to talk about how many people are doing dropshipping model the wrong way. And I'm going to explain a model that you need to follow in order to profit big time with this. Alright, so at the end of the video, I'm going to explain a brand that is making over $300 million in 12 months. That is within a year, which is just insane. So stay tuned until the end of the video to find out how you can profit from dropshipping and also how you need to do it the right way. So many people are doing it the wrong way. But before we get started, let me explain what the dropshipping model looks like. All right, so you build a store, and after that, you promote your products on maybe Facebook advertisement or anything, and the customer comes to your store. He purchases, for example, a product for $200, and after that, you go to the supplier, which is overseas, maybe in China, and you order the product for $150. All right, so on that, you are profiting $50 without doing anything. So the supplier will ship the product to your customer. So you don't have to see the product, you don't have to have an inventory in order to do this dropshipping. All right, so this is also a traditional way of doing dropshipping, and I'm going to explain that in a bit later in this video. So stay tuned. So as you can see, the customer, you may be promoting using Google Ads or Facebook ads. You need to pay for the advertising, but when you scale, your profit margin could be increasing. All right, so after you get a winning product, I'm going to explain what you need to do in order to profit big time with this business model. So let me explain the dropshipping business model with the traditional and also with affiliate marketing. So if we go to this page, as you can see, dropshipping order fulfillment looks like the customer orders and pays for the product to you. This is the dropshipping way in your website. Then when you receive the payment, you go to the supplier and fulfill the order. All right, you pay the supplier from the money you collect from the customer, and the supplier will fulfill the order. And after that, the supplier ships the product to the customer. So the customer will get the product delivered to them. All right, so this is the dropshipping order fulfillment way, which is just cool. But the traditional order fulfillment, it looks like the supplier ships the product to you and you pay them for the product. So before the customer pays you, you pay for the product and the supplier ships the product to you, which is just nonsense. All right, so this is what traditional order fulfillment looks like. You pay for the product, the supplier will send the product to you, and you promote the product after you receive the products. All right, so the customer places order after paying on your online store. So after you collect your products, you start promoting to the people, and one of the customers or many of the customers purchase from your website, and after that you ship the order to the customer. You are the person to do the fulfillment. You need to have an inventory to put your products on. So this traditional way is just insane. But uh, with the system I'm going to tell you, this way of dropshipping order fulfillment is also traditional. All right, it is traditional, and I'm going to explain that in detail. But in this channel we are talking about mostly about affiliate marketing. Right, so what is affiliate marketing? You promote other people's for products for a certain commission, and when you get a sale, the product owner will pay you a certain amount of commission. So this is the business model that I'm really interested in. And if you want to see a free training that will explain everything in detail for you, there's a link in the description, and that will teach you how to generate $2,000 100% commissions on autopilot. All right, and it is free training, 1 hour training, and you can check the first link in the description. With that being said, why I am saying the dropshipping order fulfillment is traditional with the system I'm going to tell you. So what after you find a product that is winning product, all right, so you might be promoting different dropshipping products, like 5-6 products, and you find your winning product that is able to generate you 1,000 or maybe $10,000 per day in revenue, right? So at that time what you have to do is branding. All right, so In this case, let me explain why you need to do branding. So many people are spying on your ad, spying on your website, spying on your advertising to steal the product from you, right? So when they find that your product is converting like crazy, you are promoting it on Facebook and you are paying crazy amount of money because you are scaling it to the moon. When a person spying on your website finds out that offer is converting like crazy and that product is a winning product, they will steal the product from you. They create a website, brand new website with your product, and they start selling it, and they can outcompete you and they can scale it to the moon, and you go out of the market. So in that case, it's not a long-term game for you. So for the short term, you might be earning 10,000 per day, but for the long term, many people go into that offer, that product, and the competition will be higher and you will be losing a lot of money because you didn't brand that offer. So what you have to do is branding. All right. What do I mean by branding? Branding is uh, you need to give it an identity. All right, so let me click on this, and identity, logo, design, all right, strategy and marketing. So overseas, for example, in China, there are agents that will do this everything, the branding for you, because when you scale your business, they will do whatever it takes to deliver you the result that you want. So you need to speak to an agent that you trust, and after that they will do the branding for you, and they will do the work, the branding, the fulfillment, and so on. So you don't have to do anything. But when you brand it, for example, let's say Nike, all right, Nike um, is a brand, and no one can duplicate that name and promote it on Facebook and so on, because there is a copyright issue. All right, so when you brand your offer, no one can copy your offer and sell it and outcompete you from the market. So when you find a winning product, you need to do a branding so that you can scale it to the moon and no one will take it from you. So it will be a long-term game, and I'm going to show you uh, a brand that is doing over 300 million. Guys, this is just insane. $300 million in just 12 months. All right, so that brand is called the Udi.com, and as you can see, this is their website. And yeah, this is a clothing brand in Australia, and I think this is number one, I think, top rated wearable blanket in Australia. And yeah, this is what their website looks like. You can check them on the Udi.com, and the owner of this uh, website or this brand is, I'll put his YouTube channel in the description, and he is very young, like I think 25 years old or something like that. And he has a YouTube channel explaining how he scaled his brand to over $300 million per year, which is just insane. So before they scale it to this level, what they did was they was promoting dropshipping the traditional way. So they found this offer converts like crazy. They found the winning product, so they scale it to this level. All right, so that is what I recommend you to do also. With that being said, I hope you found this video really helpful. You can check in the first link the number one recommendation that I recommend to start making money online for beginners, and you can click on that link. That being said, I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.